Happy Makeup Friday, everybody. So this is today's look. It's very fall inspired. I am over the heat and ready for fall activities. So if you want to see how I got here, stay tuned. So as you can see, I've already gotten started, but my memory card died, so we're gonna go ahead and repeat the steps from this eye over on this eye over here. I have already started. Using this yellow by Juvia's Place, I have just added a gentle sweep right on the area below my brow bone but above my crease. Next, I have gone in with this shade here from my 3502 and blended that into my crease right over the yellow. Next, I'm going to use this shade here. At this point, I am going to go back to that first shade we used in this palette here, and I am going to use that to soften my edges a little bit. And again, with the yellow from the Juvia's Place palette, I'm just going to use that to make sure that my edges are nice and blended and they're soft. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch brushes. And then I'm going to go in, wrong palette, just kidding. And I'm just going to go into this shade here, and I am going to lay that in to the area just below my crease and kind of dig it into the crease. Move that around. I'm gonna go back to that first brush and make sure that those edges are nice and blended. After that, I'm gonna go into one of my favorite eyeshadows. This is the Coastal Scents Dark Roast, and I'm gonna use that to deepen everything up in this area. Once again, I'm going back in with our lighter brown just to blend out my edges. Make sure it's all cohesive here. And I'm going to just go back into my yellow to reinforce that. Now I'm using my ColourPop concealer. I am going to cut my crease a bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer. And I'm just gonna use that with an angled brush. And I am just gonna go right on top of the concealer. That's a lot. That is gonna be a lot. Now I'm using a very small shader brush, and I'm using Fireheart Rise by Bulk Glitters, and I am just going to pack that on to the area. The second glitter I'm gonna use is Queen's Court by Bulk Glitters. I will link them both in the description, and this is just gonna go on the outer edges and feather itself in to that lighter color. And then there we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Once lined, I'm gonna go back into my 3502 palette, and using a small shader brush, I am going to go into this color right here, and I'm just gonna smudge that onto my lower line. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and come back next Friday for another Makeup Friday. Bye-bye.